Hey there, aquascaping enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of aquascaping and discussing a topic that's essential to creating a stunning underwater paradise: how to choose the right plants for your aquascape. Before we get our hands wet, let's talk about why choosing the right plants is crucial. Not only do aquatic plants provide natural beauty, but they also contribute to the ecosystem of your aquarium. They oxygenate the water, absorb excess nutrients, and provide hiding spots for your aquatic buddies. Now, let's break down the factors you need to consider when selecting plants for your aquascape. Lighting requirements. Different plants have varying light requirements: low, medium, or high. It's essential to match your plants with the lighting conditions your aquarium provides. Growth rate. Some plants grow like wildfire, while others take their time. Depending on your patience and maintenance routine, you'll want to choose plants that fit your preferred pace. Placement and height. Create depth and dimension by selecting plants of different heights. Foreground plants hug the ground, midground plants add texture, and background plants tower to create a stunning backdrop. Types of aquatic plants. Anubias and Java fern. Perfect for beginners, these plants thrive in low to medium light and attach to driftwood or rocks. They add a natural and captivating touch to your aquascape. Dwarf hairgrass and glossostigma. Ideal for creating lush carpets, these carpeting plants add a touch of elegance to the foreground of your aquarium. Amazon sword and Ludwigia. Looking to add height and vibrancy? These background plants create a stunning backdrop and are known for their fast growth. Remember, fellow aquascapers, research is your best friend. Before adding any plant to your aquascape, understand its specific needs, from water parameters to nutrients. And of course, regular maintenance is key. Pruning, fertilizing, and observing your plant's health are essential for a thriving aquascape. There you have it, folks. Choosing the right plants for your aquascape doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a bit of research, consideration, and some hands-on care, you'll be well on your way to creating a breathtaking underwater world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more aquascaping tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting.